How to think about data in storage. Data can of course be thought of as ones and zeros, but there are other models that make it easier to visualize how data flows through computer systems. One way to think about data in storage is as guests in a hotel. Imagine a hotel with 1 million rooms. When new guests arrive at the hotel, they are checked in and are assigned a room for their stay. If someone visits a guest, they might ask the front desk where that guest is staying. The front desk is able to check their records and locate the room of the guest for the visitor. A byte of data is like a guest in a hotel. A hard drive that can store 1 megabyte of data is like a hotel that can serve 1 million guests. A block on a hard drive is like a room in a hotel. A block might be sized to fit 4 kilobytes, but will be considered occupied even if we store just 1 kilobyte there. This is like a hotel that assigns a room with 4 beds to a single guest. Assigning a guest to a room in a hotel is like an allocation of data to a block on a hard drive. The staff that manage and work at a hotel are like the file system that works and manages a hard drive. The record the front desk uses to locate a hotel guest is like the table a file system uses to locate data on a hard drive. Similarly, when a guest leaves the hotel, the front desk notes that the room is empty and can be given to another guest. Now imagine that a tour bus full of guests shows up and asks for rooms. As the front desk assigns rooms, they'll naturally try to do that sequentially. This is preferred, but sometimes when the hotel is nearly full, it's just not possible. In this case, the front desk will assign as many rooms in sequence as they can. Fragmentation occurs when a set of data is stored in non-sequential blocks of a hard drive, and this is similar to a group from a tour bus receiving rooms on different floors of a hotel. If the tour group guests are in scattered rooms and all need room service, it will take more time for the hotel to travel between rooms as they serve them. This is like the additional time it takes a hard drive to seek out data on non-sequential blocks. The number of guests that a hotel is able to check in and serve in a day is like the number of read and write operations a hard drive is able to perform in a second. These read-write operations are sometimes called IOPS for storage. This story was brought to you by our community member, Paul Burt. Thank you, Paul. What's your favorite metaphor for data? Share it with us by checking out our webpage, dok.community. Check us out on Slack and also our social media. Thank you.